try and get to here, but oh, actually Quincy's going to run up there and check. No? What's the verdict?
It's a nice view.
Is it? Okay. Oh, it's the ski slope. That's the ski slope for where... Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. This was worth it. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. You see the ski slope?
Yeah.
There. Let's take a pic.
Playground.
Okay, so we're just heading into Edinburgh now to our first Fringe performance. And look, there's a bloody IKEA. I sound like an idiot, right? But I don't know what it is when you see an IKEA, you just feel at home. So there's an IKEA there everywhere.
At the roundabout, turn left onto Gilmerton Station Road.
There might be lots of left.
It's pretty round here, isn't it? All these
There
lovely...
might be lots of left. It might be that's why I would never do that.
Yeah, you're right, Quincy. You're going to be a really good driver, aren't you?
In 3/4 of a mile, use the roundabout to make a U-turn.
Oh, U-turn. Oh, God. So I can't believe the amount of new build that's going up in this part of Edinburgh. And I've just passed about 4 different developers and I've worked for all of them in London. This is all the artists that are performing over the course of Fringe Festival. Do you know what? I can't believe I've not been here sooner. It's given me so much inspiration, very inspiring. And look ahead, look at this. Okay, we're rushing to get to this first Fringe performance. It's called The Stupid Show. Is it The Stupid Show? Yeah, I haven't even been able to show you any of Edinburgh yet, but we entered it and it's absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful city, beautiful buildings. Yes, we're just rushing now. There was a queue when we passed. I've managed to park the camper van up, £4.10 for 1 hour. Yeah, so just hoping we can get there. Oh, it's hot today as well. It's so nice here. I love it. We're back again.
Hey, how you getting all that falafel?
Yeah. Oh, this is so cool.
I need some glasses. When it gets to the right page with all the insults on, I give mine a specific name. It's normally the name of someone in the audience. But I like to think you should give your bum-faced Snell the name of an on top of that those two antennae. Oh my God, they were fully booked, but the lady squeezed us in. Quincy burst out crying when she said they were fully booked, but she got a bit guilty. And I was like, oh God. But yeah, we're going in now. This is the second show for today. And yeah, it looks quite buzzy, so we'll see.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to start.
funny. It's absolutely boiling today in Edinburgh. It's really, really hot.
Yeah.
And I'm not great in the sun anyway, but I come over all funny. So we're just sitting in the van, just relaxing.
Yeah, before the show happens.
Exactly. Just having some water and just
This weird noise.
just relaxing. There's a weird noise, like an electrical noise, which is a bit worrying.
Yeah,
And I
like
can
a
hear it from the
voice.
light above me. I'll show you. This light here. Can you hear it?
Hear that?
I don't know if you can hear that, but it's quite scary. It's one of those noises you think, God, is it going to blow up or something?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm feeling a bit better. I've cooled down now. I've just had some water. I think I've said that already. Delirious. Quincy's, what's his Capri Sun? So, I'm exhausted. We're going to Inverness next, which is where the Loch Ness Monster is. Yeah.
He's lying because he blinks.
Just about to go to our show. We've come to a lovely mosque where we've been greeted really nicely. I've got some lovely Arabic coffee and a really nice date with nuts and things in it. So we're going to get a tour of the mosque, which I'm excited about. Quincy's gone running in, very excited to see what's going on here. And we've had a really nice welcome, and it's lovely and cool in here as well. So yeah, Quincy's getting looked after with biscuits, so he's very happy. Yeah, it was nice.
With all of the loathing I've ever seen. Just a child going, how can a grown man be allowed to do this and live? You have won. Nothing. Go to hell. My name is John. You have been a beautiful bunch of people to play with. Throw bread at. And then suddenly the kids said a dirtier thing than I was intending to.
Pineapple forever.
Heading back to the camper van. Quincy's over the moon. He won a pineapple at the large Fringe Performance we went to. Can't remember the guy's name, but it was amazing. I'll add a little tag here. Yeah, it was. Edinburgh is a wonderful city. I'm really impressed with it. I don't know if it's because the sun's shining, but it's just steeped in so much history, and I love it. I think I've said that enough now. But yeah, I'll definitely be back. But we're on our way to Inverness. Can you get off the floor, Quincy, please? Yeah, next stop is Inverness. So we're going to search for the Loch Ness Monster. So watch this space. Oh, that's so old, isn't it? Watch this space. See you soon.
This is called the lunar year. We use what's called the Hijri calendar in Islam. The Islamic months, they have their own names. So you have Muharram, Safar, Rabi' al-Awwal,
That was amazing. Lovely tour of a mosque. This is what it's all about, you know, finding out about different people, different cultures, different religions. And it's great for Quincy as well. And I want him to be knowledgeable in you know, in everyone, in how everyone lives, different people live, you know. Wonderful people. Massive thank you to Mohammed and Anushka and their lovely kids for welcoming us into their mosque. And we're going to be camping outside the mosque tonight. That's the first. Never camped outside a mosque. This is a new one, and we're right in the centre of Edinburgh, right in the hub of everything that's happening today. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so we're right in the hub of, I just nearly knocked a guy out. We're right in the hub of Edinburgh city centre, and it makes me very happy. We're going to a really nice restaurant now that Anushka and Mohammed recommended that we go to, which is a yellow shop. Oh, there's a Lidl there, that's handy as well. So we're outside the mosque, which is where we're going to stay tonight. There's little Penny. This is a beautiful mosque. Quincy left his pineapple in the mosque. But he's got it, he's become very attached. What's that film with Tom Hanks when he becomes attached to the rugby, is it the rugby ball? Can you remember the film?
Yeah, I remember.
Well, that's how Quincy is with this
pineapple.
This is what I mean about this city. So we're just shopping, and Quincy pointed out this. Look how beautiful that building is. I don't even know what it is. Honestly, this city is just beautiful. So my phone is fixed. Hooray! Thank God. Yeah, we're just walking back now to the camper van. Yeah, this place, it's just, you go around the corner, it's like, wow. It's like old buildings, new buildings. It's got everything here. Anyway, I think I've said how much I like it. So yeah, we're going back to the camper van, and then we're going to head to, I've booked us into a campsite halfway to Loch Ness, halfway to Inverness, which is our next adventure, to find the Loch Ness
Monster!